morning, everybody. My name is Hadiza, aka Dizzy, and you're welcome to another vlog, or should I say my first vlog here on YouTube. And yeah, today I just want to take you along with me. I don't know how it's gonna be, but I just woke up and I really want to record some content today. You're welcome. Take yours. You didn't say thank you. You're welcome. I just want to say that any person you see, any content creator you see, please just support that person. If the person asks you to go subscribe to their YouTube channel or follow their Instagram page or whichever social media platform they are using, just support them because it's not easy. Today is Saturday and this is like 3:30 p.m. I've been trying to create content since in the morning, but everything is just, it's not as easy as, it's not just picking up the camera to record, especially this kind of content. It's not like beauty content and others. It's not just picking up the camera. A lot goes into it. You have to be mentally stable. You have to, put things together. Like, you need to see my behind the scene. I'll still create content anyhow. I wanted to go for, what's it called, Kaduna buy and sell today, but it's like I'm not going to be able to make it today, probably tomorrow. So I'll be going for rehearsals now. I'm even late. I'm just trying to put, one or two things together and tidy up this space and then leave for rehearsals. And please, if you are seeing this, subscribe to my YouTube channel and just, if you can relate to what I'm saying, like, this is not just the full gist. I want to record so many videos. I want to give you guys an update on why I have, not been online. I've not actually made up throughout this year from January and we're in February now, so I just wanted to put some things out there, but it's not easy. Probably it's because I've taken long. Like, it's been a while since I sat down to do something like that. Maybe that's why it's more difficult for me today, but I'm going to try again. And what else? I wanted to say something, but I've forgotten, so yeah. Maybe I'll take you guys along with me to the rehearsals today. And
That was a great earthquake!
That was a great earthquake!
1, 2, 3, go!
For the late,
Behold!
Behold!
That was a great earthquake!
That was a great earthquake!
1, 2, 3.
I would be overwhelmed. Give me vision. Give me wisdom.
You better call him.
He will answer you.
When you fall in.
He will lift you up. There is nothing that my God can do.
just came back from church. So, what's up, everybody? Today is Sunday, and in some of the clips that you've watched, I told you guys I was going to Kaduna buy and sell, but I couldn't make it, so I decided to still come around and just update you people. And then yesterday I tried to record. It's been a while since I recorded a YouTube video or any makeup tutorial. Like, I don't think throughout this year I've sat down to do that. So I just decided to just unbox some of the stuff that I got. I'll just unbox them and show you guys some of the stuff that I got, and then hopefully I will put this up today. And then please, if you are seeing the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then like the video. Thank you. So this a Makeup Revolution bronzer that I got from her. I think she barely used it, so she wanted to sell it out, and then I decided to buy. I also got this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette from her, the Zulus by Juvia's Place. What else? Oh my god, it has broken. This one has broken, babe. This one, and it was new. This Heartbreakers palette. Well, so this one have broken. I also got this Heartbreakers Revolution palette. Oh my god, I have to put this together, and I love this shade. This golden shade was one of the reasons why I even bought this particular one. What else did I even get? I got this Revolution paint, Witching Hour palette. What brand is this? I think it's Color Pop. Let me open it. This is how the palette is. That's these beautiful shades in here. I didn't order this, so I think she gave me these pigments, Avo Cosmetics pigments, as gifts, and that was all I ordered from her. Thank you, Makeup Ozzy. I'll be using them very soon. So I also got some stuff from Passion Trust Cosmetics. This is all I got. Makeup stuff. You just buy something, you think you bought a lot, just spend a lot and just see few things in like leather. So I got this Higa and Esther. Palette. I also got the Kiss Beauty Correcting Makeup Foundation. They're quite cheap. This Higa and Esther. It's a matte lipstick. I just love the shade. I got the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I got e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer, and then the Mario Badescu facial spray. By the way, the light I'm using is from Austin 7070. It is so handy. So yeah, some stuff from Zara Cosmetics. This is more than 3 weeks now, and I've not seen the stuff that I got. Yeah. Hi, Gaskiya, you are not going back with these clothes. You are not going back with these clothes. Sam then kiss okay now. You are not going back with these clothes. No, talk. Let me just round it up here. So my friend just came, Mrs. Peter. You're welcome. Let me just round up the video. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't know why I'm saying yeah, and I'm supposed to say yeah instead of yeah. I just find myself saying yeah. But seriously, I didn't copy it. I just found myself saying yeah, and I'm not supposed to say yeah. Maybe yeah. Okay, yeah. Let me touch it. So we've come to the end of this video. I just decided to see. No matter what the devil does, no matter what, I'm going to be consistent. It's not all about having it all perfect. I'm just going to be consistent. Yes, I do, Anike. I'm just speaking it into existence. I'm just going to be consistent. And please, if you are saying this, just subscribe to my channel, like the video, and yes, thank you, because I'll be posting it today in Jesus' name. So yeah, my hair is from Hair Island. She actually did. See you in the next video. Maybe next video will be a tutorial. I'll try and record a Valentine makeup tutorial, maybe for a day look to a night look. I pray. If I don't, I'll still post it anyhow. Bye.